everyone, today we're going to be looking at a dash cam by 70My. This is their model M500, and along with the dash cam we also have a hardware kit. So this dash cam features 1944p Ultra HD video. It has 170 degrees ultra wide angle and built-in eMMC storage of 64 gigabytes, and it also has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. So first we're going to be opening it up and seeing what it looks like. So inside the box we had our dash cam. On the dash cam we have our power button on this side, and we have a USB-C port on the other side. On the back there's a mic, and these are some ventilation holes, and this is our camera. We also have a USB-C cord and a cigarette lighter to connect your camera with the car. We also have our user manual, and these are some electrostatic films. It's for installation. And this is our mount. On the back there's a sticky adhesive. This is supposed to be heat resistant, and it is supposed to help keep your dash cam up. And that is it for all the parts of our dash cam camera. So now we're going to look at the hardwire kit. So this is our hardware kit, and this is what it looks like. So you would use the hardware kit if you want your camera to be on for even when your car is turned off. You can wire it to your battery, and it's going to be on all the time for security and protection. So with the camera, if you don't hardwire it, it can also stay on, but it will only turn on if there is some sort of bumps. Also got to make sure that when you plug it into your car that the 70My parking surveillance cable is installed. You can use the cigarette lighter and your USB-C cable to plug it in. This is not hardwired, so You don't have to connect it to your battery, but there is a hardwired kit that you can purchase as well. So I have already attached my dash cam to my car, and now we're gonna add a device through the 70My app. So let's add our device. It's gonna scan for Bluetooth devices nearby, so we're gonna click that. We're gonna click the power button to authorize. And it was connected. So now we have to connect to the dashcam Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay. So we're gonna connect. So over here, I'm going to look for the 70My hotspot, and once I find it, I'm gonna connect to it. And once you're connected to the app, Wi-Fi hotspot, you can easily see current video or past video by clicking on the albums. And over here, you're also able to see a timeline. There is a feature called RS Special Effects, or you can download your videos.
Start recording video.
You're also able to access specific clips and download those as well. On the dashcam settings, there is a bunch of video settings that you can adjust. So you can do some compression settings, resolution and frame rate, clip duration. You can have like parking surveillance, collision sensitivity, time-lapse photograph, HDR, speed, resistance to blink, etc. For the system settings, you're also able to turn on voice control or record sounds. And I'm gonna turn on audio recording because I would like to hear any sounds or anything in case there is some sort of accident. So there's like some audio evidence as well. Then there is an ADAS feature, ADAS, which basically monitors road conditions and detects it and lets you know. There's other setting options such as speaker volume, on and off sound effect, and auto off when no displacement persists. We have dashcam system time and more hotspot settings, and you can set the date, speed unit, language, etc. And now I'm going to go back to the main screen where you can see the live footage of what it's being recorded. And over here, you're also able to take pictures as well. Lastly, you're also able to access all your videos through your albums as well. The 70My Dashcam M500 has a lot of amazing features, such as its 1944p HDR resolution, quality for its images and videos, which is 2.5 times of 1080p. And it will give you crisper images during the day. It also has powerful night vision. Its large aperture of f2.0 pulls in more light around at nighttime and allows it to have crisper and well lit images in low light settings by automatically adjusting exposure and reducing the noise. It also has 24-hour parking surveillance with car battery protection. So the dash cam has a built-in G sensor. So if you're not hardwiring the dash cam, it can sense any sudden shakes or collisions, and it will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. And it'll create an emergency video, and it will notify you with a voice alert after it's turned back on. But if you wanted to hardwire it with your car battery, it also has car battery protection, so you don't have to worry about the dash cam draining your battery. It also has time-lapse recording. If you're using the hardware kit, it will record every 30 minutes of footage and compress it into 1 minute, so you can keep your camera on all night and you don't have to worry about using too much storage space. It has an expandable advanced driver assistance system. It's called ADAS. So what it does is it detects surroundings and voice alerts any safety concerns, such as lane departures or moving traffic, or if you're going to collide into something, it will automatically predict that and let you know. The M500 also supports more stable GPS and GLONASS positioning from satellites that enables stable and accurate positioning in areas that are prone to signal obstruction. And lastly, it has great built-in storage, so you no longer need a separate memory card, and it can read and write speeds of up to 230 megabytes per second and 150 megabytes per second. Also helps you avoid common issues such as frame skipping and memory card. So the installation process without the hardwire kit is pretty simple. All you have to do is plug it into your car and just play it. Just connect to your Wi-Fi with your app, and you're able to record and receive any videos that are recorded through your dash cam. So I recorded some videos both at daytime and nighttime, and you can clearly tell the 1944p HDR resolution. It is so much better than some of the 1080p dash cams I've had previously, and the 170-degree angle for my frontal view works really well, because not only are you able to see the car in front of you, you're also able to see more of the lanes to the side. So if there is any car that is jumping in front of you, you're able to capture that as well. Although I wasn't expecting the night vision to be that great because of the little light that it has during nighttime, it was still able to capture a pretty decent quality image, and you're still able to see your surroundings pretty well, and capture any license plates that could be in front of you. Overall, this is a great dash cam to have, especially for safety on the road, because of its great video quality, which captures pretty detailed videos and images, and its built-in Wi-Fi system that allows you to access any videos of accidents that you might have easily from your phone and immediately by using the built-in Wi-Fi. It also has a stable GPS and GLONASS positioning systems that you can use in areas of signal obstruction. In addition to that, you can also use the trip data that includes any speed, time, or coordinates that could be helpful for roadside assistance and insurance claims in case of an accident. Lastly, I love that I don't have to get a memory card for this device, and I am not going to have any issues such as memory card errors that I've faced in the past. If you'd like to purchase this dash cam, then please go ahead and check out our description box below. And I hope you guys liked this review, and thank you for watching.